Ocean pollution is a serious issue that we must change as soon as possible. But what is it really? Well, ocean pollution refers to the contamination of marine environments by harmful substances including chemicals, plastics, oil and other pollutants. This pollution has significant impacts on marine life, ecosystems and human health. So, how do we solve it? Well, introducing
ABDUL is a dual-purpose water cleaning device that removes floating trash from polluted lakes and ponds while using algae to naturally filter and purify the water. It offers a sustainable solution to improve water quality and support healthier aquatic ecosystems.
Now let's talk about the most important thing here, which is the problem statement. First and foremost, marine life is at risk. Floating and submerged waste harms fish, birds and aquatic plants. This issue doesn't only disrupt the ecosystem, but also cause animal extinction. Secondly, water pollution is continuous. Rivers, lakes and marinas are constantly polluted with floating waste such as plastics, bottles and food waste. And the most important thing here is public space losing its own value. Polluted water bodies negatively affect tourism, community space and us, our health. Let's dig further into our main objective. We provide a sustainable cleaning method which we proudly call it ABDUL. Our innovation uses solar power, requires small amount of energy and use modern technology. Secondly, to protect aquatic life and ecosystems from the harmful effects of plastics, oils and other waste. And lastly, to support long-term sustainability goals by reducing pollution continuously rather than relying on occasional cleanup drives. Let me explain more about methodology. First of all, environmental impact assessment. Data is collected on amount, type and source of waste. It helps us in analysis the statistics of polluted trash island from time to time. Moreover, waste collection mechanisms. Our product use floating barriers, nets and bins to trap plastic bottles, food wrappers, leaves and other polluting debris. For your information, we use solar powered or mechanical pumps to get trash into the bin. And lastly, water disposal, or also known as recycling. It helps us reduce trash from polluting our oceans and promotes circular economic practices.
Based on the information gathered and existing research, we've identified two major outcomes of using algae in water treatment. Firstly, we found that algae play a significant role in the reduction of pollutants in wastewater. Algae, by nature-resistant toxins, can effectively dispose harmful substances and will help identify pollutants in water. This makes them an efficient eco-friendly solution for water purification. They show remarkable traits such as they are highly adaptive, thrive in contaminated areas, can identify harmful substances, and is flexible in terms of absorbing chemicals. Second, the use of algae can lead to a decrease in waterborne diseases and an overall better environment. By reducing garbage and waste in water sources, the spread of waterborne diseases can be minimized. At the same time, this helps protect habitats and ecosystems, ensuring a healthier aquatic environment. Moving forward, how does ABDUL relate to the Sustainable Development Goals? First and foremost, SDG Goal 3, Good Wealth and Well-being, ABDUL provides clean water and safer conditions for consumption of marine animals and water. SDG Goal 4, Quality Education, ABDUL can be used to teach students the importance of preventing water pollution and inspire younger generations to make their own innovations. Goal 6, Clean Water and Sanitation, ABDUL is an efficient device to purify water. It can prevent contamination and prevent waterborne diseases from spreading caused by garbage in water. Goal 7, Affordable and Clean Energy, ABDUL uses solar panels to reduce the use of electricity and batteries. Goal 13, Climate Action, ABDUL helps in fighting pollution, global warming, and protecting environments. Goal 14, Life Below Water, ABDUL protects habitats of aquatic life and ensure a safer ecosystem. And lastly, SDG Goal 17, Partnerships for the Goals. ABDUL opens new chances for collaborations with numerous official bodies such as NGOs, governments, and universities.
Next, moving on global relevance of ocean pollution. As we can see from this slide, plastic pollution in the ocean has become a critical issue that affects marine life, biodiversity, and ecosystem worldwide. One of the most important aspects is protecting marine life and ensuring food security. Floating debris, microplastic, and oil are often indigested by fish, turtles, and seaweed, which threatens their survival. The seaweed plays an important role here as it captures the pollutant before they enter the food chain. This not only protects biodiversity, but also supports the global fishing industry, which millions of the people
let's talk about the impact. First, let's look at the environmental impact. Aquabloom helps reduce the amount of plastic pollutions that harms marine animals. Many creatures like turtles, dolphins, and fish are affected by plastic waste, and reducing this pollution is a big step towards saving marine life. It also improves overall water quality, which benefits not only animals but also people who depend on clean oceans. And next is the economic impact. Aquabloom reduces the cost of manual cleanups, which are often expensive and time-consuming. It also helps coastal cities, harbors, and tourism areas to maintain cleaner environments. Cleaner beaches and oceans attract more visitors, which boosts local businesses and economies. And finally, the social impact. Aquabloom raises public awareness about the dangers of ocean pollution. Education and awareness are powerful tools to encourage people to change their habits and protect the environments. It also promotes environmental education, inspiring future generations to take action and be responsible towards our planet.
Through this project, we gain valuable insights into how environmental challenges require more than just one type of solution. We realize that by blending scientific innovation and nature's own abilities, we can create tools that are effective, affordable, and eco-friendly. Reflecting on this journey, we learned that the importance of resistance and teamwork. At first, the idea seemed simple, but as we researched, we discovered the many layers of ocean pollution, plastics, toxins, or residues, and how algae could play a role in addressing them. The process reminded us that protecting the environment is not just about inventing devices, but about rethinking our relationship with nature. Most importantly, this project showed us that even small-scale innovations can have ripple effects. A single aquabloom may clean only one part of the ocean, but multiplied across the globe, the impact becomes powerful. Our reflection is that real change starts when we combine creativity, responsibility, and the willingness to learn from nature. With this idea, we hope to inspire more sustainable solutions that bring people and the planet closer together.
In summary, the Aquabloom project is an innovative marine initiative tackling ocean pollution through floating devices placed in marinas, harbors, and ports. These units collect debris, microplastics, and other pollutants daily, showing the value of localized scalable solutions. While effective, Aquabloom supports rather than replaces broader efforts like reducing plastic use, improving waste systems, and raising public awareness.